Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. First of all, we are from Group Project Listening, CRPL 306. Please allow us to deliver our presentation on our project title, Okafine, the Job Search Apps. Okay, so before we begin, let me introduce my team member. First, our team leader, Muhammad Rashid Aditya Putra. So I, as backend developer, my contribution is implementing the backend logic, integrate with database, develop RESTful APIs, and also handling data processing with the validation. And then we have Salsabila Zahra as a business analyst. Her contribution is analyzing the business requirement, creating documentation. Then we have Danu Yudhistia and Jonathan Helwas as a front-end developer. Their contribution is design and implementing the user interface, and also integrated with backend APIs. And Safwa Kansamizura as a quality assurance. Her contribution is ensuring the application run according to quality standards. Okay, so that's for our team member. Next will be explained by Safwa.
Okay, in this slide, we explain Vocafine, a mobile application developed as a version of Telecerdas. Its purpose is to help job seekers find and apply for job more easily, quickly, and anytime via their mobile phones. Next, in general, Vocafine helps users manage the job search process from creating account and digital CV, searching for vacancies, applying for jobs, to monitoring the status of applications directly from the application. Next, the main feature allow users to register and login, manage their profiles, search and apply for job, and receive recommendation from AI. User can also view their application history and receive real-time notification on the status of their application. This meant that the entire job search process can be done in one app. Next will be explained by Salsa. I will explain about the non-functional requirements of our application. These requirements focus on how the system performs. First, performance. Second, usability. Third, compatibility. Fourth, security. And last, language and readability. Next, use case diagram. The main actor is talent. There are 9 main use cases that the talent can do: registration, login, manage personal profile, apply for job, take job test, receive AI-based job recommendation, receive interview invitation, view job application history, and get notification for job test result or interview results. Next, this is our ER diagram or entity relationship diagram. This diagram represents the structure of our database and shows how the entities are connected to each other. Lastly, I will explain about the service and server design of our application. There are 3 main services used in our system. First, web service using ASP.NET Core Web API. Second, database service using MySQL. And third, notification service using Firebase Cold Messaging. So, these 3 services work together to make our system secure, consistent, and responsive. Next, the presentation will be continued by Danu Yudhistia.
Okay, now I will explain our 4 key security implementation. First, access control with RBAC, so user only access database on their roles. Second, data protection. Sensitive data is hashed or encrypted using Bcrypt. On the third, authentication security, JWT with reference token, ensure authorized access only. And for account security, we added 2FA for extra protection. Next, okay. On this slide, we have 2 main user persona. First is Jane, 21 years old. She is student seeking job matching her skill but struggle with limited experience. On the second is Antonio, 28 years old. He is marketing professional wanting better opportunity but has limited time to search. This persona get our feature design. Next slide. Okay, on this slide, we follow a user-friendly design principle. Number 1, user control. Number 2, consistency. Number 3, clear feedback. Number 4, familiar interface. Number 5, error prevention. Number 6, simple design. And number 7, flexibility for all user. And number 8, clean aesthetic. This principle ensure our app is secure, intuitive, and easy to use. Okay, next will be explained by Jonathan.
Application products. Here are here are some of the main views of the applications. Is a home page, job search page, job detail page, application page, profile page, and job fair page. Prototype and demo we can be view at the link. Testing method, static testing. Conduct informal reviews and walkthrough of RPP, UI UX design, and SKPPL document to ensure competence and consistency. Dynamic testing. After the document review, dynamic testing will be conducted through direct program executions. Black box is a logic and code flow. White box, system functionality. Perform is speed, response time, and stability. Next work plan, deployment. Deploy, deploy the app to the server for online access. Human-computer interaction. Implement remaining human-computer interaction principles. Integration is complete front-end and back-end integrations. Testing. Perform dynamic testing after system integration. Security. Strengthen and apply database security measures. Alright, that's all for me, and I will return to Muhammad Nasid Aditya Putra.
So that's all for our presentation. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.